Alright, here's a new video because something happened, but here's a 2011 to 2012 Lasko 3733. It's got the older logo, of course, and it's in fairly bad condition. Starting out with, there's holes. You see hole in the blade right there. There's a chunk missing right there, and the hub is so close to the grill that it's just not in the best condition, and part of the grill is missing. But handle, I'm sorry, this is a very dirty fan. Handle seems to be okay, and the knob is completely dirty. This is just a fan that my grandma's using, and there's an extreme amount of rust in there. Alright, so here's the side. Here's the other side. No stand holes, of course. And here's the motor. Still uses a small tuna can motor, but this one is older. That has the older winding style in there. It actually has the Pro motor. Show you the date. My grandma doesn't have the box, so I can't show you what the box looked like. In fact, I don't even know what the box looked like. Hold on. There's the arrow speed. This is not my house. This is actually my grandma's house. So this is... Sorry for the waiting. This has no feet, of course. And this is a 2011 to 2012. Of course, it's ETL listed. And 120 volts. 0.8 amps. 60 hertz. And, yeah. There's the arrow speed. And before I plug it up, I want to see which one's thinner. Actually, let me set this down. Oops. It's very dirty. See which one's thinner. Yep, the arrow speed is bigger. Actually, they look the same. It's got my grandma's name on it. And there was actually two of these. This was a 2012 one and a 2011 one. Fortunately, the 2012 one no longer works. So, they just have the 2011 one. And this thing, I think, is heavier. This is, of course, lighter. Let's turn it on. It moves a lot of air. Wow, I'm surprised. I think it moves more air than my blue cool colors. Let's go to medium. It's actually not as loud. I think because this one has the older motor in it. I think that's why it's not as loud. Back to high. And off. You can kind of hear it rubbing against the grill. Oh, you gotta hear something. And it's just really not in good condition. I mean, it's cleaned, but I would service it, but I don't have an extra blade. I do have an extra grill that says the older logo on it, but I don't have an extra blade, unfortunately. And I do have a couple back grills and stuff. Do have a new knob, could put some feet on it. Could put new handle, even though the handle seems to be in good condition. And yeah, I could do a ton of stuff. And I guess thanks for watching.